an Arctic fox. Arctic foxes are wanderers, and they can travel over 2,000 miles from Norway to Canada in a constant search for food. There might be something here. A patch of grass, kept clear of the snow by the near-constant wind. The slightest hint of scent might indicate the presence of prey. Tiny Arctic lemmings, if it can catch one. Lemming burrows may extend for up to 15 meters. And at last, one plump lemming. The fox's tenacity and unique hunting skills enable them to find prey which few others could catch.